attempt to unravel this mystery, hindered at every step by his friends, and haunted always by a vague sense of foreboding. This story is appropriately entitled Premonition. I defy you to guess the nature of Kim Stanley's premonition, although we shall give you numerous clues in the prologue which we now present immediately.
At first, I didn't know what it was that brought me home. It was a sudden impulse, a hunch, a restless feeling that wouldn't leave me until I gave in and got on the plane. I'd been so far away for so long. It seemed incredible that in such a very few hours, I was home again.
Welcome home, Mr. Stainer. Have a pleasant visit, sir. Good day.
Brian's drugstore.